Have you ever wondered that why a ball rolling on the ground slows down gradually and stops after some time? There is some force acting on the ball which opposes the motion of the ball, due to which it stops. That force is called as force of friction. Friction is a kind of force that slows down the moving object. Means whenever any force is acting in the direction opposite to the direction of motion. Means if any object is moving towards right, then the force which is acting in the left side is the frictional force. It slows down the motion of any object. Frictional force act on any object whenever it is in contact with other object. Therefore, when any object moves over a surface, that surface offers frictional force on that object. Frictional force acts highest on rough surfaces. That is why it is easier for us to walk on sand or concrete floors. But if you try to walk on a glass surface or on a snow floor, it would be very slippery. You can easily skid on that surfaces because there is very less friction on a glass floor or a snow floor. Therefore, we can say that smooth surfaces has very little or no friction, but the rough surfaces offers highest friction. Friction is more on a rough surface in comparison to the smooth surface. Therefore, to reduce friction, we can apply oil or grease in the moving parts of the machine or any object. These are called as lubricants. By applying lubricants, we can make a surface smooth, due to which the friction acting on it will also reduce. Soap solution also reduces friction. That is why we can easily slip on bathroom floors. Because soaps used in the bathroom makes the floor slippery, thus very less friction act on that surface. Wheels also reduce friction. That is why all the vehicles and the luggage trolleys have wheels in them, so as the friction can be reduced, making the motion easy. While playing carom, we sprinkle powder on the board because powder also makes the surface smooth, which reduces the friction, due to which cannons and striker can easily move over it. Friction is also useful to us. If there will be no friction, then we will not be able to walk. Friction helps us to walk by preventing us from sliding. Vehicles can also move on the road due to friction between the road and the tires. It is the friction which helps us to fix the nail into the wall. We can write on a paper with a pen due to friction between them. Friction is important in our life. Still, there are some harmful effects of friction. Friction produces heat. When machines run for some time, the moving parts of the machine gets heated up due to the friction. Because of friction, machines start making noise. The soles of your shoes gets worn out after some time. This happens due to friction. Thus, friction causes wear and tear. That is why machine parts also requires maintenance from time to time.